Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we have a CONDOR C6 Plus phone with a broken USB connector. When we plug the charging cable, it looks like to be loose. And it's taking no amps. Let's open it and see what's going on inside. We remove the motherboard containing the USB connector from the phone, and then we cover the mic with a heat-resistant tape. Protect it from heat and flux. Then we put aluminum tape for more protection. We now start applying some flux to remove the USB connector. We apply low melted solder to make the USB connector removal easy. After that, we apply hot air to remove the USB connector. Just like that, it came off so easy. We used the soldering wire to clean up the path. Then we put low melted solder on the pads to solder the new USB connector. We then apply the new USB connector and solder it to place. Now it's the time to put the phone together and see if it will work. The phone is charging now. Job is done. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.